Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Brian and you're watching Build a Place. This video we're going to be replacing the headlights on my 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. This thing's like 21 years old and has the original headlights. So we've polished them a couple times, kind of make them look okay. I think it's time to give this old girl a nice shiny pair of headlights. So as winter time's coming along, we're going to need to have some light better than this dimly light. So let's go to work and put some new headlights on this car. Oh, it's shiny like a new penny. Well, just do a little bit of comparison. There's what the new one looks like, and there's the old. So I think it's going to polish it up a little bit, make it look a little better. So this is pretty simple. Just pull this up, unlatch it, and it comes forward. It should come. Well, maybe I didn't bring it up high enough. There it goes. Just needed a little bit of convincing. So need to transfer the bulbs from the old to the new. So I just put the new headlight right there. This will go to the, just leave them off the side there so they don't get damaged. And I think we're gonna, before we get too far on here, I think we have to remove this piece here. Yeah, this retainer is going to have to come off. Let's see if we can just pry it off slowly without damaging it. Just pry it right off. Take this bulb out. And I believe this will be like a turn signal here, which looks burnt out. Take this, I don't need to leave this protective cover on right now. Take that off. Start with you gotta take these, they had these covers to keep the dirt out. So just take these little covers off. Take the other cover off. Put that bulb in. Left some residue from the cover. Try to peel some of that excess off. Which I don't think is going to really hurt anything. Everything to line up is not the easiest. I'm pretty sure I got the right bulb in the right spot. So that goes there. Oh, there it goes. Put this on here. And then we'll get the last cover off. Get paper out of the way. It's like a label stock of some kind. Install this lamp. And should be good to go. So we'll put this back in. There, it locked in now. Just had to be moved around a little bit. So we got that one done. I'm going to shoot this side of the car with a little bit different camera angle. Maybe that'll help seeing things you may not be able to see for the first time. But we released the lens. And like I said, these lenses haven't been off. Well, probably put bulbs in it at one time, but they really haven't been off too much. This time I'm going to put a piece of foam down to lay that on. It's not going to matter too much for the old one, but the new one we don't want to scratch it up. Take that bulb off. This bulb. Remove this clip. Remove that, and that bulb looks burnt out also. So it looks like we have two side marker lights that are burnt out that we'll have to replace. But this is talking about putting thing in, not replacing bulbs. So we're going to finish up replacing the headlight lens. Take the paper off, put this bulb in. Put this bulb in. I'll take the paper off, or decal, whatever you want to call it. Protective cover. That's what we'll call it. Protective cover. Take that off. Set that in there. Lock it in. And we're going to put this just like it was before. Lock that in onto the headlight assembly. And this time we're going to do a test and see if that side marker light does come on or not. Found a replacement bulb for that, so put that in here. And I'm going to use a little bit of something with a little bit of convincing. It puts a little bit extra on it. So I'm going to do a test to see if that works now. You should be able to see that it's working now, so we can finish putting this together. Pretty much the same as the other side. I'm going to take this paper out now. The other one I took off before we started. This off now. Everything lined up where it needs to be. That one went on considerably easier. That side went on a whole lot easier. Well, that's it for this project. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's kind of short and somewhat informative. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I got plenty more videos. Maybe not like this one, but similar, because probably not too many 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix still out there that need headlight housing for their vehicle. But this is an easy project. It was really easy to do. It's probably the easiest headlamp that I've ever replaced. Most of them involve all kinds of stuff, but this just popped right out and everything went good. Had a couple bad bulbs, we went and fixed those. So